stuff.
Mom, you'll be scared for the nitro ones. They small, but they fast.
God, Damien. I'm scared for what the one that we got to do.
So, hey guys, it's Adrian. We're popping fireworks out here for New Year's Day.
In the middle.
All right, bro. You got this, okay? I was just saying. No one's coming down the car up there.
I don't want to know what that is.
Waiting for that car to go out there. There you go. We're good. Let's go, David. Hey, you go to Lincoln? Alright, so what you got there? You got a ladybug. I have to back stuff up. Whoa.
I told you the longer you wait, that's when the car stuff.
All you need to do is quit.
You want me to do it?
No.
He gone? He turned? Put that light down.
Ah.
Y'all can't be giving up the 411.
There you go. We should be good. Any more cars coming?
Put that light down. Don't have that light on. He know.
Huh?
Yeah, put that light down.
Me?
If the time comes, we won't be easily spotted.
Okay. You just pretend I'm taking a picture.
Yeah. Bring out something. This one go out. Oh no, y'all need to come over here. Everybody come over here. Damien, he needs to scoot back over here. No, go right there.
Me?
Run, Damien, run.
Run! Holy crap! Holy crap! Oh! Holy crap! That was a loud ass firework! Okay, whose turn is it? Good job, bro. You got.
No, that wasn't big.
What the heck? Hey, can I? Hey, yo, can I try?
Try what?
The me.